And Melina, every time I go in, where's my coffee today? Every time. And I always feel bad. Damn, I forgot the coffee. So today, I've got you your coffee here. I'm gonna bring you your coffee. Okay, here you go. Cream and sugar like you like it. And for the rest of you guys, here's a gift certificate for Starbucks. You can get it too. This way, the next 10 visits, like I have credit, right? Guys, if we can give a standing ovation to the people on our front lines, our care coordinators, our DOFIs, and our PT techs. Everybody else, please stand up. No, you guys have to sit.